friends, it's Peggy from PrettyPaperCards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm here today to show you an alternate use of the Christmas Countdown Project Kit. This kit is in the August to December 2020 mini catalog from Stampin' Up! And it's actually kind of like an advent calendar, and I'll show you more about that in a minute. But I have created an alternative use for it. And what I've done is I have created a pretty box that you could put earrings, or I'm going to put embellishments from my craft room in here. And I have covered this box with paper from the new January to June 2021 mini catalog by Stampin' Up! It's called the Fine Art Floral Paper, and some of you know pink is my favorite color, and when I saw this paper I was like, wow, I just have to use it for this purpose. Now, it is not going to be available for customers until January of 2021, but I was able to get it early because I went to Onstage, the Stampin' Up! Conference, and we could pre-order some things. All demonstrators are going to be able to order this on December 1st of 2020. So if you like it, sign up with me to become a demonstrator, and you can order some of this paper also before January 1st, which is when regular customers can get it. So as you can see, I have covered both the top and the sides of the box. I did not cover the back or the bottom. But let me turn the camera down, and I'm going to show you how I did it so that you'll know you can use any paper that you want. And let me just turn this down here. And you can see Ellie in the background there. She's sitting with me in my room, my little Yorkshire Terrier. So here is what it comes like. It's the project kit. And it's for you know, Christmas, making an advent calendar, and you get these little squares that are already pre-cut with the scoop on it, the little that fits on the drawer, the little thumb holder, I would say, like that. So you can completely make this project kit as an advent calendar. It has all these pretty colored squares that you can put on the drawers, and it has all kinds of embellishments, paper embellishments, and the numbers for the advent calendar. So that is the way you actually make this. But I saw in the catalog, in the mini catalog, August to December 2020, that they had done other things with it. Can you see that? Let me hold it up a little bit more. They put jewelry in it here as a sample, and here they made it as a countdown for a birthday package or a holiday countdown for kids. So that gave me the idea, and I'll show you how to make it. It takes two 12 by 12 sheets of whatever designer series paper you want to use. Again, this is the Fine Art Floral designer series paper. So it takes two of these 12 by 12 sheets. I cut out so many that I cut a little bit into some others. But all you do, it's very simple. You just cut 2-inch strips all the way down, just 2-inch strips, and then cut them 2 again by 2. So you end up with 2-inch squares. And for example, here is one of my 2-inch squares. Now, in order to figure out how to make it, this is the 2-inch square. And I thought, how am I going to do that little thumb hole? Well, I got out a 1-inch circle punch. Now, Stampin' Up! Doesn't sell these anymore, but I had this left over. I was keeping it because I thought it might come in handy, and you might have kept yours also. So what I did is I took the pattern from one of the squares that comes with the kit, and I just simply, you could do it forwards or backwards, layered it over my 2-inch square that I want to use, and I took my 1-inch circle punch and lined it right inside where the circle is and punched it out, and then it's perfect, and it fits right on my little drawer. Isn't that cute? And each one is a little hair bit different depending on where you punch your circle. I adhered the paper then with just plain multi-purpose glue. There are 25 squares in the box, and so you just need to cut out 25 2-inch squares, punch them with your 1-inch circle punch, and you're set to go. And then I did cover my top and sides with the same DSP, and it's 2 inches by 11 inches, and I also adhered it with multi-purpose glue. So isn't that adorable? I really wanted to show you how to do this because you probably should buy the Christmas Countdown project kit now. I don't know if it will be available after January 1st, so that's why I wanted to bring this to you now, is pick this up, purchase it now. You can purchase it in my store, in Stampin' Up. It's on my blog, prettypapercards.com. It says shop now, and there will also be links under this YouTube video. Pick up your Christmas Countdown project kit now, and then when these beautiful new papers come out in January, you will be all ready to put together your beautiful box for jewelry or embellishments or anything. So thank you so much for stopping by today. See you next time.